In this video, I'm going to show you two solid ways to check if your PDF file has been edited or not. So on the phone, what you can do is first find the file, and then if you hold down on the file, this is on iOS, but you can also do this on Android, you can then go to Get Info, and that will load up the info of your file. So from here you can see when the file was created, you can see when it was modified and when it was last opened. So if modified date is different to the created date, it means it's been edited. Another unique way that you can actually use to check is by using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT, go to the plus icon, then click on Files. Then you can find the file that you want to check if it's edited or not. So I'm going to select this file. We can then click Open. Then you can go ahead and find the secondary PDF which may be edited. So I'm going to upload the PDF which I suspect might be edited. And then what we can do is ask ChatGPT to compare these. So I've said, can you compare these? Is any edited? And then ChatGPT can actually do all of the work for you. And it will tell you, there we go, in our case, they are identical. So that is two ways that you can do it. I hope that helped.